Welcome, Cosmic Electricians. In this lesson of Troubleshooting 103, Module 4, Lesson 21, we explore the realignment procedures for the entire grid. A single constellation can malfunction, but when multiple circuits fall out of sync, the entire grid becomes unstable. Realignment is the process of restoring harmony, coherence, and synchronized voltage across all 12 circuits. This is advanced work requiring precision, patience, and mastery. Let us begin with the first procedure. Establish the baseline frequency. Before any realignment can occur, the individual must return to their natural resting voltage. This requires grounding, stillness, and a temporary withdrawal from external noise. Without a baseline, you cannot measure distortion. Next, we applied a second procedure. Identify cross-circuit interference. Circuits rarely malfunction alone. A wounded constellation often disrupts its neighbors. For example, a damaged Cancer circuit may destabilize Capricorn, or a corrupted Gemini circuit may overload Virgo. Your task is to locate the points where circuits are influencing each other and isolate the interference. Now we move to the third procedure. Synchronize the primary triads. The grid contains 4 triads: identity, stability, expression, and transcendence. When a triad is out of sync, the circuits within it begin to pull against each other. Realignment requires bringing each triad back into harmony so the grid can operate as a unified system. Then we apply the fourth procedure, restore directional flow. Every grid has a natural flow pattern, from Aries ignition to Pisces surrender. When circuits fire out of order, voltage becomes chaotic. Realignment requires guiding the individual back into their natural sequence, so energy flows in the correct direction once again. Finally, we activate the fifth procedure. A realigned grid must be sealed through consistent practice, conscious choices, and emotional regulation. Without sealing, the system may revert to old patterns. Sealing creates stability, resilience, and long-term coherence. To realign the entire grid, remember these 5 procedures: establish, identify, synchronize, restore, and seal. When applied with mastery, they bring the entire system back into harmony and allow the individual to operate at their highest voltage. In the next lesson, we will explore how to prevent future grid collapses through proactive maintenance.